India today includes Chief Minister Nongthombam Bireen in the top 3 best Chief Ministers of India. Mahut Minister T.A. Shyamkumar asserts media plays a significant role in bringing development. Appeals to stop threatening media. "26 sector Assam Rifle seized brown sugar worth over 2 crore rupees along National Highway 102 Imphal More Road. And the Police Commemoration Day Marathon participated by 985 runners flex off today. Kurumjuri, good evening. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari, bringing you the latest updates. First up, India today has included Chief Minister Nongthombam Bireen in the top 3 best Chief Ministers of the country. The BJP-led state government has also been acclaimed as the best BJP-led state government in India. Speaking to media at BJP Manipur Pradesh temporary office in Kanchipur today, General Secretary Administration of the party, K. Sarat Kumar, asserted that people have started recognizing the efforts of Chief Minister N. Bireen-led government for the welfare of the state undertaken its over 1.5 years of governance. He maintained that the BJP-led state government has bridged the gap which existed between inhabitants of the hills and the valley. Highlighting the undertakings of the state government, K. Sarat Kumar asserted that state-initiated programs like Miyam Ginumit and Hill Leaders Day gave platforms for public to talk face-to-face with the Chief Minister. He stated that cabinet meetings were convened in the hill districts and took many critical decisions for the state. The party General Secretary also said that health scheme of the state government, Chief Minister Gi Hakshal Gitengbang scheme, is catering to poor families in the state.
Bharatna masak khangna honabada ayuk nungtil numidang tumba chaba hippa khangdana mangna tawge khalliba thabusing aduda thamoi sengna kathopuk loinana torokpaduna maram moiraga ngasidi khoigi chief minister Manipur ki chief minister Sri Nongthombam Bireen Singh Bharat ki laimaida lairiba raija mayam and union territory mayam asigi BJP rule tawjariba amadi National Democratic Alliance India rule tawjariba state punamaki makok thongba adungma lusingba amani haidana sakhang birakpasida nasi Bharatiya Janata Party Manipur Pradesh ki maikaidagi thamoi singna harau nungaijaba amadi mahakpu taram nokpagi wafam si thamjabani.
Forest and Environment Minister Thanawjam Shyamkumar has asserted that the media plays a significant role in bringing about development and appeal to stop threatening media. The minister was speaking in the first anniversary celebration of Impact TV's Impact Indigenous Cookie channel today. The event was held at the Travel Research Institute in Chingmai. Mahut Minister Shyamkumar maintained that the media is an eye-opener for the public as it brings the latest happenings into awareness. Stating that the media even has the capability of deciding which government to let stay, the minister urged all to salute media. He also lauded Impact TV for all its initiative in the field of media and for delivering works at par with international and national standard. He also lauded Impact Indigenous Cookie channel for all its undertakings for the cookie community and encouraged to become even better. IGP of Manipur Police IPS Clay Khongshai, General Manager of BSNL Manipur ITS J. Lung Kim and Editor-in-Chief of Impact News Yomnam Rupachandra were among those present at the event.
Newspaper amadi serial impact sima media sa toida min nakomo hele sakar na gumit pangalle ngasi di yak advance we Manipur da impact TV su international media me ama national media me ama sangam na da magi standard se pela to compare ta koi yare kare no magi lai do mother khara nai nari wa de karo tori wa yamna apik se mi sinai kai ta ato media se ni ye to ki ta kai ta.
Assam Rifles seized brown sugar worth around 2 crore and 85 lakhs rupees along National Highways 102 Imphal More Road yesterday. The drugs were recovered from a car bearing registration number MN01AK3492 coming from More at Permanent Vehicle Checkpost VPCP in Kudeng Thabi. 26 Sector Assam Rifles Technopol Battalion acted on a tip-off from the Directorate of Revenue Intelligence and DRI and seized 50 packets of brown sugar weighing altogether around 714 grams concealed in the car during a frisking operation at the checkpost. The miscreant is identified as Jangkomang Haukev from More. He was handed over to DRI Imphal for further investigations. Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol Kada and Iraima Maira Paibilub, Sugnu jointly organized a public meeting against substance abuse at Sugnu Makhalekai Community Hall yesterday. Resource persons highlighted various side effects of drug abuse and ways to curb the same during the meeting. A combined team of 9 Sector Assam Rifles, Kaithelmanbi Battalion and Singjamai Police apprehended a sympathizer of proscribed outfit UNLF. The arrested person is identified as Tekjam Inau. He is reported to be involved in the new recruitment process of the outfit. He was handed over to Singjamai Police Station for further investigations. The Police Commemoration Day Marathon was flagged off today. Imphal East and Imphal West District Police jointly organized the 11-kilometer marathon to commemorate the supreme sacrifices of gallant Manipur police personnel. Altogether, 985 marathoners, including 253 women, took part in the marathon that started from the indoor stadium of Kumalampak Sports Complex and passed through Minuthong, Hatha, New Chekon, Telesgate, Thumbuthong, Keshamthong, Keshampad, Wahengbam Laikai, Nagamapal, Khoyathong, North AOC, Gekrupat Road and concluded at the stadium. Kundom Romajid, Yumnam Arijit and Sapam Romesh backed the first, second and the third position respectively in the men's category, while N. Chauba, T. Russia Chanu and S. Premila were the top 3 women marathoners. Top 3 winners were awarded cash prizes of 25,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees and 15,000 rupees respectively. Marathoners securing 4th to 18 positions were felicitated with consolation prizes of 2,000 rupees each. SP Sanapati Pradeep Maharabam, SP Bishnupur Hobson Sapam and SP Vigilant and Narcotics Balaram Haishnam, who took part in the event, were also felicitated on the occasion. DGP IPS LM Kaute and many top officials of the Manipur Police Department took part in marathon.
All over the country, supreme sacrifice made by the policemen all over the country. Must remember Tonava, honor Tonava, Adugi occasion, important occasion amane. Me Chaniga 21 so far, Ekoigi martyrs state Kiwana, supreme sacrifice to Viriba, Ekoigi brave martyrs in the soul, Adugi honor Tonava, Koina si Masigi marathon se Pantopani. Aduga important amana moi marathon da yaw ribasi family members sing koi martyrs sing family members sing su khara yawe aduna yam meaningful way ni haina khal.
A painting competition in relation to Police Commemoration Day was held on the theme to salute the supreme sacrifice of police personnel who lost their life defending the sovereignty, security and maintenance of law and order in sacrifice of the nation in Moirang today. Moirang Police organized the event at Moirang Multi-Purpose Hall. Around 70 students of 17 schools took part in the competition. A marathon titled Imagi Damak in commemoration of Major Maibam Tamara was held today. Maibam Tamara, a disciple of King Chandakriti, played a significant role in the meeting convened between the King and the Viceroy cum Governor-General of India, Lord Northbrook, on July 30, 1874. Upon reaching Kasar just 4 days ahead of the important meeting, the king realized that two important documents, the Treaty of Yandabu and the Treaty of 1833, were left behind at the palace in Imphal. Major Maibam Tamara was directed to bring back the documents, and as such he ran on foot from Kasar and got the papers and managed to reach Kasar 1 day before the meeting. Major Maibam Tamara Memorial Trust and UNESCO Club Manipur organized a marathon sponsored by Salai Holdings Private Limited in reverence to the great contribution of Maibam Tamara. The marathon started from Maibam Lotpachil Ching till Wangkai Ningthem Pukri Mapal. Flagging off the race, Managing Director of Salai Holdings Private Limited and Samarjit stated that the race was conducted to remind and instill the willpower of Maibam Tamara to the youth of the state.
Ngasigi lamsang lamjen ase masi ekoina tungi wari amagi damakta akhoi leijari ba akhoi gi jingnei pak isilinau akhoi khuding makta adugumlaba thauraba ibudo major akhoi maibiat tamragumba athauba mayam singsida chenkiba I asengba I gi magi thauna magi pangal magi mayam ado loina akhoi da sungasi yaure aduna hariba magi thauna I da yauriba thauna pangal mayam sing ado Madu Ekoi Naside, Ekoi Madu Amukhana, Ekoida, Nona, Makeup Yening Hulan, Amachangi, Anova, Akogi Puari, Amasiam, Navagidamakta.
Later, the winners of Imagitamak run for Motherland Marathon were felicitated by Chairman cum Managing Director of Salai Holdings Private Limited, Narembam Samarjit at Maharaja Garviniwas Memorial Club in Wangkai Ningthem Pukri Mapal. United Nations Day Observation Committee organized a prize distribution function. It may be mentioned that the race was organized as a part of 1 month-long United Nations Day campaign of UNESCO Club Manipur. Cultural songs and dance performances highlighted the event. A one-day block-level consultation program on POCSO Act, JJ Act, Right to Education and Guideline of CPC was conducted at T. Yamnom village in More today. New Era Environment Development and Society NEEDS organized the program under the aegis of Child Rights and UCRI. More Police, KSO More and local residents took part in the program. SDPO More Sandeep Gopal Das and District Coordinator of NEEDS Dharngam Khaling gave their resourceful insights on the theme. Film Forum Manipur has appreciated Chief Minister Nongthoma Miray's late government for appointing renowned Manipuri singer Samurai Lakpam Nabachandar Sarma, popularly known as Naba Volcano, as the coordinator of the Art and Culture Department. A reception ceremony was held for the newly appointed coordinator at the forum's office in Sankatoki's Lamphal today. The forum felicitated the renowned singer on the occasion. Speaking in the event, the chairman of Film Forum Manipur, Samjit Sabam Mangoljao, lauded the state government for acknowledging the artists of the state by appointing Nabachandra as a coordinator. He hoped that the initiative will felicitate artists of the state in contributing toward development of art and culture of the state.
Yamna Naba Volcano haina khangnariba yambasina mana art and culture gi maramda matam sangna Kathokna Lakasi, Sakrangi Boynas, Honorable Minister Bire, Amadi Art and Culture Minister L.J. Kumar Makoina, a city, a Kogi coordinator, Art and Culture, Government of Manipur, Oina Kandira Pasida, I Koi Film Forum Nata, Obu, Ikai Kunaba, Chaba, Amadi, Tagat Popo, Senabasi, Konama Famsida, some Lava Forum, Sipantok 70.
All Manipur School Students Transport Association AMSSTA observed its third AMSSTA Day at Yaifa Lamjinglob Community Hall in Pishum today. Tributes were showered at the portraits of the deceased members of the association for their contribution in the lives of students. Surviving family members were also felicitated on the occasion. Speaking in the event, General Secretary of AMSSTA, Jimmy Tongbram, stressed the need to appreciate and acknowledge the contribution of school van drivers instead of treating them as mere commercial drivers. He urged members to follow the 21-point guidelines of the association to earn their due respect from the people. Jimmy Tongbram stated that school van fares are decided by the association taking in view the prevailing fuel rates. He appealed to consider the fuel rising rates and maintenance charges facing the drivers before complaining that school van fares are high. MLA Moirang Sarat and USM former President Johnson Ilangbam also attended the event. Position holders of the recent BOSM Class 10 and COSM Class 12 examination as well as children of van drivers bringing above 80% in the examinations were felicitated on the occasion.
Van service to Vicina dedication Tamo Yam Sawi, Mayum de Mama Pan exam Sakibangan pencil Kaurami phone Torokani Lambi the Kama pencil Laiduni, Angan Tiffin half with the Saksak, the Kamal Patra Sapo Laiduni. I know Poxa Van drivers in Tobi Van transportation house in Masana, my Poxa Masana, Bavalu Patra, the Piosapo Layer Saki Hagan, the Kupanta, Yarong, Mi Masadu Patra Sapo School Kinjilamini. Sigit Hamo is a par level transporter sings that. Adu Kambi Deva. Aduna, parents give awareness of Yam Sangi, Matang, I know Tamsin, parents Giantaba. Wali parents na gyan tarak tabadigi van driver no khudong sa lor pa yorom bayai masi autang akoi gyan tamina ba ma changi imung gi awana ka thoga mi gi mateng pangi ba van driver do yam phajaba service to do magi one and only magi yamna chawa mahi ji kani phange da mai khwai di chawa price mayam gi khonthi oin phange.
Musu, Mutta and Musa, in a joint press release, strongly condemned that a professor of Manipur University detained in Sajiwa jail under the fraudulent FIR filed by Professor K. Yugindro was handcuffed like a criminal while taking him from treatment in the hospital. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on exclusive report on the need to preserve Lai Harawa Festival of the state. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. Various groups are taking measures to conserve the indigenous Lai Harawa festival. It is time for all these groups to come together in fulfilling the joint endeavor. Here is an exclusive report from Impact News reporter Ketrimim Premchan and camera person Bisorjit Namairakpam.
Imphal East Umang Lai Committee IEULC has been organizing seminars on Umang Lai Harawa since the last 5 years. The 6th seminar was held at Lining Tho Hanba Laikonong in Kurai, Chingangbam Laikai this year. Imphal East Umang Lai Committee, Union of Social Upliftment and Lining Tho Hanba Development Committee jointly organized the event.
Imphal East leba umang lai sing ja sigi hongai ba adagi sore iba mayam sing asi khara do ju chumthokpa ngamnam gi dangda laibung sing da conscience ka khoi gi awareness oina adagi seminar oina pangtholaga akhoi punna umang lai si khangminaraga akhoi khunjaw lo chawba cha hong na ba mayam sing asi boi thijan minadana leibak si ingna chingna tamna panba yana gi pandam du da Imphal East umang lai committee na siguma seminar se pangthok jabani.
During the seminar, Guru of JNM DA Lai Harawa Department Pukrambam Dhanjit highlight the significance of Maitai dance in popularizing the Manipur. Expert also spoke on Panthoibi Kongul, Kanglei Harawa, Laipu Kutek 364 and Gods of Hilly Reason.
Manipur gi kasin koyaga ngasi phawbada minna madi wakhalna lamba phamdringai gi matamdagi satharak Lai Harawa adum hengduna leiri asida sunatna tongan ba Manipur ki wangmada amadi Bharat ki wangmada Lai Harawa jati asibu masakta I haiduna kanna asongi maigi da suchangsan narli ahingdo puya amagi mahut thokta sak kaya koina liter la mathang miro la madagi miro na mada sintharak ba amadi lepa leitana oirakhiba sak patam kobina koina sali koirak I haibagi sakoi kowi sakoi koromdagi zakoi haiba wahi asi lakhibani.
Students who participate in the discussion program express desires for such programs event in the future.
Lai Harawa se yam maru oiba kandaba yadaba pot ama oibani maduna Manipuri da lairiba miyamna hadi tamba di dance performing art tamgera tamoira khangdaba yadaba pot ama oibanina mayam pumna makna siguma seminar se support tawbiduna hadi laiba miyam punna yaw daba yadaba habadi tamba tamdaba thidana yaw daba yadaba seminar amani hadi chi is a long lasting oina dum lehaninge haina thamjaning.
People started to take Lai Harauba very lightly, forgetting its innate meanings. It is a sorry situation that Lai Harauba is taken as mere celebration. Organizations in the state have been organizing discourse meets on the festivals with an aim to preserve the festival. Center for Social and Culture Development CSCD Manipur also organized an event today at Kurai Chingambam Laikai Multipurpose Hall. The 4 aspects of Lai Harauba were discussed during the seminar. There is a need to join together all the Lai Harauba groups in the state to safeguard the true essence of Lai Harauba.
Pandiloi sang leiriba adagi ato sang leiriba sing asigi amato oina punjale hairaga mayam maiba maibi sing leiriba punamakta amato oiba lising da seminaragadi yamna nungaiba mo oigani haina ning.
This is Jantazit Kaidam for reporter Khetri Mayum Premchan with camera person Bisorjit Tangmeirakpam, Impact News, Imphal.
Minister Loshi Diko lauded Baptist community of the state for contributing in peace and development and urged the community to contribute further. Loshi Diko was speaking in the first Imphal City Baptist Church's choir singing competition held at MBC Center Church today. The choir singing competition was organized by City Baptist Pastors Fellowship, Imphal. Minister Loshi Diko called for unity of all the communities in the state. Many resource persons and church leaders attended the event. 41 choir groups took part in the competition.
If the Metis cannot come up and lead us, they lead the Christians. Metis should take the leadership because they're more in number, they're developed, they're more in advance, educationally, economically, socially, everything. Therefore, this is the time for us to pray for the Metis to come and lead us and lead the Christians. Then we will be able to progress and we will be able to have more peace in our state. This is what I believe. Therefore, I know that our church is praying so hard. It's working so hard. You have been working. You have been praying for the church, for the people in the valley, particularly for the Metis brothers.
The poster campaign launched by Laumi Sinmi Apunbalob Laushal since September 21st with an aim to promote use of organic fertilizers across Imphal Valley concluded at Quainban Market today. Speaking to media, General Secretary of Lausal, Maibum Sunil stated that the campaign, sponsored by Manipur Organic Mission Agency, MOMA, under the Agriculture Department and the Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department, were held in various villages and localities across Imphal Valley. He urged everyone to stop using chemical fertilizers which are hazardous for health and to opt for organic fertilizers not to only curb possible side effects but also to boost the state's economy. He assured that Lausal will continue with its strive to make Manipur an organic state. Manipuri Wing Commander of the Indian Air Force, Dr. Karam Chandrajit, was conferred with the Chief of the Air Staff COAS Commendation Medal 2018 by Air Chief Marshal Birendra Singh Dhanau PVSM, AVSM, YSM, VM, ADC. He was conferred with the medal on the occasion of the 86th anniversary of Indian Air Force on October 8. It may be mentioned that Dr. Karam Chandrajit was commended with Air Officer Commanding-in-Chief AOC CNC Medal on Republic Day in 2015 for his outstanding performances during his posting at Air Force Hospital in Kanpur. Dr. Karam Chandrajit is the son of Karam Sham and late Karam Mema from Kiamgai Mamang Laikai of Imphal East District. Lions Club of Imphal Global conducted a free eye camera today in connection with the World Sight Day observance. Over 30 individuals were checked up during the eye camp held at MBA's Brick Field in Koiringai, and free medicines were also distributed at the camp. President of Lions Club of Imphal Global R.K. Kishore and Proprietor of MBA's Brick Field Proprietor, who is also a member of Lions Club, M. Bhavanand, were among those present at the event.
ꯑꯀꯣꯏꯕꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯟꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯤꯛ ꯐꯤꯜ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯐꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ngasai welfare gi dongta moi mamit nungai taba di mamit pi taba anything problem yam sigi dongta tawna khuna lunch club of Imphal Robena sinjabani leite lair wanda da awana tarba khudong chaja da sing sikitang mating du pi bangam godra hai bagi wakhanda khuna to tokjo program ne prithvi atim humda su mamang su dum pangthoi adu matung su matho du ngasi nimit to sina chap chaba kogi numit amane na to khoi masi khona jabani masi to usmaina khoi matung su kogi atopa sum program matang lunch club of Imphal Robena dum satha jage na khali.
Good Karma Foundation Thanga, in collaboration with the local clubs and Mairapibis, conducted a poster campaign and awareness program on Syrav typers in various parts of Thanga, Bishnupur district. The foundation organized the program to raise awareness on how to ward off scrub typers in view of the recent deaths caused by the disease in the district. Lions Club of Imphal Global conducted a peace poster contest on the theme Kindness Matters at Comet School in Changangai today. Around 20 students from different schools competed in the event. Winners were selected for further competitions. Three-day teachers training workshop on skill for adolescents held under the initiative of a Lion Quest DC Lion Diana Thokchom of Lions Club of Imphal since October 12 concluded today. Around 35 teachers of 20 schools attended the workshop held at City Hospital, Chingmero. A poetry book, Amasung A, written by Impact News anchor KK Thokchom, was released at Manipur Press Club today. Professor Johodachandra Sanasam and many eminent writers attended the event organized by Patriotic Writers Forum Manipur. Principal of Imphal College, Dr. M. Priyobarta, gave an insight into the poetry book on the occasion. The 5th edition of Kanglei Park Loina Silon Apunba Marup KLM Literary Journals Loina Silon Gi Kongchat was released today. The event was held at the residence of Nabakumar Oinam in Kwakaitel, Soibam Laikai. Former chairperson of Manipur State Social Welfare Board, R.K. Noyon Sana, social activist Riendrambam Kiran, president of Writers Club Nambol Rajen Sarangthem, president of Kanglei Park Loina Silon Apunba Marup Thiam Seleima Leima, and many people attended the event. Tulsi Motors Private Limited has opened its new outlet at Sangaiparo Airport Road today. Managing Director of Tulsi Motors Private Limited, Sinam David, and General Manager S. Dipu jointly launched the black color special edition 125cc Vespa Noted scooter on the occasion. Ex-showroom price of Vespa Note is 83,175 rupees. Interested individuals can also purchase the two-wheelers on a 10% down payment option.
Vespa Note HBC Huji Akogi Mamang the Potoki Vespa LX, VX, Amasung XXL Ga, Loina and Suzik Live addition to Uji Potoxariba 125cc da Potoxariba Vespa Note. Hadibu Note she quite a home moment the Potoxabani Huji when the Potoibi, Maduga, Lona and the Tala, Matam, the Magi, Kogi Kanava, have a Shivo, 10% down payment, the Yam pick per down payment, the Lowi Yaba, Amasung Huji, home extended warranty and when a free observer, Lona Kogi RSA 5 years ski, Huji when a free up Amasung and the Tazi, Lowi Matam. Kogi Frida Mahaki, Kogi Chahima, servicing Tobogi, labor SAS Loro Habasine, Kogi, Wasi Hajari.
Chairman of Manitco and Manitron Radhesham Yumnam has inaugurated Sangai Bazaar Shopping Mall at Takilambam Konjil today. MLA Jiribam Mohammad Asaf Uddin, Manager Imphal Urban Cooperative Bank Limited, L. Suranjoy, Head of Department on Pathology Department of Jenims, Dr. Rajkumari Vidyarani, and Chief Advisor of Sangai Bazaar, K.H. Gambhir, attended the inaugural event organized by Complex Inauguration Committee. Chairman of Sangai Bazaar, K.H. Inaubi Mitei, assured of making available all essential commodities at reasonable rates in the shopping mall. The chairman asserted that many educated unemployed youths were provided job opportunities in the mall.
Bazaar mun chalaga hoi parking ki kai awa ba leiba myam do खर मखैदि साफरद्रा खंदना मफम से हांगजबनी मफम मसिदा अखोगी मंत्री प्रपोज अखोई ऑडिटोरियम अमसु लई हाइबा ऑडिटोरियम मसिदा नुमि खुदिंगी सेमा अदगी ऑफिशियल प्राइवेट की ओइबा तोंगान तोंगान बा अखोगी ओकेजन क्या फंक्शन क्या तौबदा मयामना तौनिबा ममंदगी फैसिलिटी सब माना फंगलगा अहोंग ममदा इना मयामदा फंगनबगी खुरुंचाबसु थमजरी पुनमसिंग असि अइना तौबगी मरमदि अखोई इंखलेबा नहासिंगदा मखोई स्टेट गवर्नमेंट थबक पीबा ngam अखोई सुंबा मयाम अमा थोलगा मथंग मथंग थबक पीबा ngमगदि मणिपुर थबक फंगदबगी समस्याजे खर बखैदि कोकलदरा खंजदुना हारिबा कॉम्प्लेक्स असे अइना मरुइना हंगजखिबनि
Brand Pigeon in Nandaibam Traders, a pigeon brand distributor in Manipur, held its first dealers meet at Hotel Classic Grand today. Around 130 dealers took part in the meet, where 5 best dealers were felicitated. Manager of Brand Pigeon and Nandaibam Traders assured of various beneficial schemes for the dealers in view of the upcoming Ningol Chakoba and Diwali celebrations on the occasion. Now the sports news. India has clinched the silver medal in the 8th Sultan of Johor Junior Hockey Cup. In the final match of the tournament held at Taman Daya Hockey Stadium in Johor Bahru City, Malaysia, held from October 6 till 13, Great Britain emerged as the champion after defeating India by 3-2. 2 of the 3 winning goals of the Great Britain were netted by Buckle Adam in the 39th and 42nd minute, while the other was scored by West Daniel in the 7th minute. The 2 goals of the Indian team were netted by Gurab Sahib Jeet and Abhishek in the 4th and 55th minute of the match. Intense pool matches were witnessed amongst the participating countries, namely Australia, Great Britain, India, Japan, Malaysia and New Zealand. While Great Britain and India backed the first and second position, Australia and Japan occupied the 3rd and 4th place respectively. Secretary in charge All Manipur Football Association in a press release informed that the 30th Junior Boys Inter-District Football Tournament, which was supposed to be kicked off today at Komal Lampak Artificial Turf Ground, has been indefinitely postponed due to inclement weather conditions. State players who participated in the 2nd Junior Nation Cup International Boxing Tournament held at Serbia were accorded a warm welcome by All India Students Federation AISF Manipur State Unit today. Manipuri boxers Kaisham Sanjeet bagged a gold medal in 46 kg category. Kangjamcha Lakmani got a silver medal in 54 kg category, and Saikom Victor secured a bronze medal in 50 kg category in the international tournament held from August 15 to 19. The players reached Imphal Airport today after participating in All India Inter-Sai Boxing Championship held at Haryana from October 8 to 12. 6 state players fetched 3 gold medals and 2 bronze medals during the championship. Speaking in the event, General Secretary of AISF Manipur State Unit, K.H. Rameshwar said, Manipur holds a prominent place in the field of sports in the world despite being a small state. He said, AISF, a Students' Federation, organized the event to encourage successful sportspersons.
Masimaksu Mairoi Kayamna international national medal Kayama Laura Kanda Manipur gi Mapam Kanbagumna Masisu Sanaroi Taruxina Manipur gi Mapam Serbia da Pangthokpa Adugum Laba boxing junior international championship da Sanagi Takaman the bronze medal Loina silver medal Loroctuna Manipur gi Mai Ngakpubu All India Student Federation Manipur State Council gi Maikai the Taram Okpaga Loina Nasigi Sanaroi Sing Puning Tawatpagi Oina Hoina Sigi Sigum Laba Mairoising Okpagi reception program CA7 Sinjarkan Pangtok 7.
Meitei Indigenous Thangta and Cultural Institution MITTACI in a press release informed that it has felicitated Secretary of MITTCAC and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Award 2018 awardee M. Herojit and players who bagged medals in the 33rd State Level JB Championship today. The felicitation ceremony was held at Kongba Khetri Laikai. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. India today includes Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren in the top 3 best Chief Ministers of India. Mahut Minister T.A. Shyamkumar asserts media plays a significant role in bringing development. Appeals to stop threatening media. '26 sector Assam Rifle seized brown sugar worth over 2 crore rupees along National Highway 102 Imphal More Road. And the Police Commemoration Day Marathon participated by 985 runners flags off today.